Are you stealing leads from that light strip for the project? Clever. Yep. Bisnout, that is absolutely correct. But the issue is, they are not that easy to desolder, and they are very fragile, so we killed a lot. We killed quite a lot to get those 32, and now we need 16 more. And yeah, maybe we better take 20 of that strip. But those strips are recycled. So yeah, there's nothing lost if we kill them now, or if we just throw them away anyway. Have you tried a hot air station? Yes, I did, and the plastic casing of the LEDs is very fragile and does melt. Oh, this one popped, so that's definitely broken. Thing is, oh, my English does not sound German enough. Okay, so I try a little bit harder to cling a little bit more like a German. Is this better for you, Furby? Are you satisfied now? The thing with a hot air station is that if you blow hot air from top, it is harder to heat up the solder points that are on the bottom side of the LED, and you heat up the case very much higher than you do with this technique, I think. And another issue with the LEDs is that the silicone in the lens is hydrophile. Yeah, that it absorbs air, or it absorbs water vapor from the air, and if you heat that up with a hot air gun from top, it penetrates the silicon of the LED lens, and that causes the air to expand and to darken the LED, or to tear off the little wires inside the LED. And the one that I said, oh, that one popped, we can have a look under the microscope and see if that if you can see the crater of the pop. Yes, we are going to look at the pop one now. I think I can see it, but I'm not sure. I have to adjust the zoom level. Yep. Okay. So you can see it. You cannot see it right now, but you can see it in a second. When I got that stabilized, kinda stabilized in a way. Okay, so this one looks fine. You can see the processor, that is that bit with all the small wires going into it. You can see 3 dots on this side. Those are the red, green, and blue LED. And you can see that big yellow thing, that is the white LED. And when we look at the one that popped, you can see that there is here something wrong with the silicone lens on top. Can you see that crack in there? Yeah. That is the one that just popped because it got too hot and there was water, or there was moisture inside of that silicone. And that, oh yeah, in that angle you can see it very good. Crack is drug, I think. Yeah, so that one is, that's definitely broken. Yeah, there's no way that that thing works. And that was just moisture inside of the case that vaporized and popped. Good, so let's zoom out again. And let's get soldering a little bit. A location! This is the correct location. So that one was up there too, so I don't know what was wrong with that one, if we check that at the earlier stage, or if it was just moved there accidentally. Let's not use that as the first LED. So first step is to just add solder to one of the sides of the LED, so we can attach the LEDs and have them laying flat on the board. So we have to reflow just one solder connection and not all four at the same time to get the LED laying flat on the board. Oh yeah, and this board is going to be the one with 16 LEDs, so we just solder every second LED and then we have to bridge in between. So I do not have to add this pad, I just have to solder these pads with LEDs, and then we have to bridge from here to there. And then we can compare the 32 to the 16 LED board. Yeah, fine. Good. And then just reflow one of the sides. Now we can adjust the LED. And that's it. It's flat on the board and we can solder all the other connections. You don't see. Now you see. So eine Themenwoche nur in englischer Sprache wäre auch mal eine nette Übung. Ja, logisch, können wir mal machen.